Hey, what's going on, guys and gals? Burnwood back with you. I'm in the shed. Finally got the shed. And let me show you guys what's going on in the shed. So with my mom moving in with us, I had to clear up my gear room. All of our storage is in here. Storage bins, all kinds of stuff. Got shelves in here, got all my tools, all kinds of stuff in here. Made myself a little nook back here in the back. So we got the loft up here. Got all my sleeping bags in a bin up there. A sled, tent, sleep pads. Got all my backpacks down here in the bin. Machete, all my backpacks, wool blankets. We got lights. Screwed some hooks into the wood, got some lights up there. It's a continuous strand of lights. And it all starts right here. All I gotta do is take that green extension cord to the house. I got power. Flip the switch. We got a little wintry mix this morning. Well, I was gonna have a fire last night, but I started feeling a little under the weather. So I went in and had some tea with honey and laid it on down. All my fire prep wet. Mom's getting ready to go to church. I'm gonna warm her van up, clear the windows off for her. This is all supposed to just be, it's wet. It's not cold enough to freeze to the road. It's gonna turn to rain throughout the day. It's not gonna melt or nothing. So I had planned on, I'm gonna smoke a couple racks of ribs today on my smoker, and supposed to have wood delivered yesterday. That's why I put those blocks back there beside the building and the 2x4s. But because of the weather, my wood's not going to be delivered till tomorrow evening. But Got a lot of charcoal. Maybe I'll just smoke those ribs with some charcoal. So we're gonna go ahead and dump right inside out every bit of it. I've got some more charcoal on standby ready to go. I'm gonna put it right on top. Holy crap. Oh my God. Super windy today, man. Cold. We had snow flurries earlier today. Well, I'm starting to make some progress. It's a lot of damn wood for $170. I need to get a real splitting axe. This is not a splitting axe. This thing does not have a good profile. It is heavy. I mean, it works, but you ready to get the fire going, bud? There?
Yes. Yes, I am.
What's this right here called?
Firewood.
Fat wood.
Oh,
Lay those right on top. Just drop them right on top.
They drop.
Bryce is gonna see how long it takes to burn that long stick down. Like father, like son, right? Don't break it till it's ready to break. It'll break on its own when it burns. Just don't knock my wood down. As the sun's going down, I can tell that the wind is stopping. Which I was a little worried there for a second, but we had rain yesterday. But, didn't rain a whole lot. But I knew once the sun goes down, it's going down over the mountain right now. I knew that the wind would die down. So we're gonna have a good fire tonight, baby. Baby! Burnwood got some wood! Got the Easter bunnies for the kids that they haven't seen this yet. Got it hiding up in here. So I got the green extension cord going all the way up to the house. The first thing it comes into is this three-way right here. So then I got the power strip on there. So I flip the switch, it turns the main lights on. That's up in the top. I've got my drill charger on there, right here, and then the other one, it goes up behind this shelf. Through right here, comes down. I got it on a hook right here, so it's separate. So if I want to turn this light bulb right here, it's a single cord with a light bulb. It's coming down. If I want to plug it up, just plug it up. So that way, if I want to turn these main lights off, I just come back here and hit the switch. I still got that one light, which is separate. I thought that was pretty cool. Something else that's pretty cool. This is a Japanese lantern. This is the real deal. This was my stepdad's. And he got this when he was in the Air Force over in Japan. It's not your little cheap knockoffs. This is the real thing. I got some lamp oil, and I bought some extra wicks, which could be used in other lanterns too. 1/2-inch wicks, just to have them. Should never have to buy wicks no more. It's getting cold outside, man. Cold. Low tonight's gonna be 26. Temperature's dropping. I'm gonna light this lantern up. Super cool lantern. Super cool lantern, man. Unplug that. The ambiance. I just thought it was pretty cool. Just wanted to show you guys that.